Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The Best Hair Highlight Kit is probably one of the most sought-after beauty products for achieving a salon-quality look at home, offering a convenient and cost-effective way to add dimension and brightness to your hair without the commitment of a full color change. This video will dive into the top-rated kits, exploring their features, ease of use, and overall effectiveness, helping you choose the perfect one to transform your hair. Number 5. Manic Panic Flash Lightening Kit. Get ready to transform your look with our professional-grade bleach kit. It's designed to lift your hair color up to 7 levels, revealing a stunning canvas for vibrant colors. This powerful developer is specially formulated to lighten even the darkest hair. Achieve the perfect blonde base for your dream hair color. Our unique, dust-free formula ensures even lightening, minimizing the risk of patchy results. It's ideal for dark hair or when preparing for intense colors. This complete kit includes everything you need for a salon-quality experience at home. You'll find bleach powder, developer, gloves, a mixing tub, brush, and cap, all in one convenient package. We're committed to cruelty-free and vegan practices. It's tested on celebrities, not animals, and is free of ammonia, parabens, gluten, and phthalates. What we like? If you have dark hair and want to achieve vibrant colors, this kit is your best bet. It lifts up to 7 levels, giving you the perfect base for bold shades. Plus, it's vegan and cruelty-free, so you can feel good about using it. What people say. Works very well. My hair is short and half gray, so I can get 4 complete applications out of this, or 2 bleachings, and several touch-ups. I don't remember the ratio of persulfate to peroxide, but I used a milligram scale and divided the powder and the 4 ounces 113g bottle of paste. First 30-minute application of the 30 volume brought my non-gray hair to the banana color, and a second made platinum within 20 minutes. This stuff is the most even bleaching flash lightener Eve ever used and was very consistent with each section. Keeping in mind, I deliberately didn't want to go all the way to my scalp just yet, for future bleaching and fading reasons, and I did it in very random sections for a better blend up where my roots are, as well as having different levels of lightening throughout and every piece lightened evenly with piece bleached at the same time. It says 5 levels and literally lightened my hair precisely 5 levels. Use this for longer roots, 3 inches. There was enough product to do that twice. It did as it was expected. I like that it came with a special brush to apply the bleach. I like that it came with its own container to mix the product in. Number 4. Highlight Hair Coloring Kit. Get ready for a stunning new hair color. This kit makes at-home highlighting easy and convenient, even for beginners. Inside, you'll find everything you need, a durable plastic cap, a handy scraper with a crochet hook, and simple instructions. It's designed to comfortably fit most head sizes. The cap is approximately 7.3 inches in diameter and 8 inches high, ensuring a secure fit. Simply wear the cap, pull the hair through the pre-made holes using the crochet hook, and apply your dye. It's that simple. Whether you're a seasoned stylist or a first-timer, this kit provides the tools for a perfect highlight every time. It's perfect for both home and salon use. Made from durable plastic, it's designed for multiple uses. Just hand wash it for long-lasting use. What we like? If you're a beginner and want an easy way to highlight your hair at home, this kit is perfect. The cap and hook make it simple to create highlights, and it's very affordable. It's great for first-timers and those on a budget. What people say. Old school cap for highlights. It is exactly how they used to be when I was a kid. This is well made and correctly sized, nice that it includes a pick to use to pull the hair through. Just what I wanted. Number 3. L'Oréal Couleur Experte. Get ready to experience salon-quality hair color at home. This innovative dual-system kit makes achieving stunning results quick and easy. It's so simple. With perfectly coordinated shades, you'll achieve a rich, elegant look in just 2 easy steps. This unique kit combines permanent base color with highlights for brilliant, all-over color and precise highlights. It's all in one box for your convenience. Transform your hair in just 30 minutes. It's the perfect solution for busy lifestyles. Find your ideal shade with our diverse range of colors, from bold to subtle, dark to light. There's a perfect match for everyone. L'Oréal Paris offers a complete range of hair care solutions, including gray concealer, root touch-up, and various color options to suit your needs. As a leading beauty care company, we bring you innovative products and expertise from beauty experts worldwide. Trust us to help you achieve your dream hair. What we like. If you're looking for a quick and easy way to get salon-quality color and highlights at home, this is the one for you. It combines permanent color and highlights in one box, and you can achieve a stunning look in just 30 minutes. It's perfect for busy individuals who want a professional finish without the salon price tag. What people say. The box says 30-minute results. It actually takes a few hours, but it's worth it. The first color you leave on about 25 minutes if you have stubborn grays like me, shower, dry hair. Second color goes in, the highlights, leave on about 15 to 20 minutes, shower, dry hair again. All in all, I got salon results for a fraction of what a day at the salon costs. I like a multicolor look and will vary the colors within a shade or two every now and then. After a few applications over half a year, I achieved the multi-tone look, and it automatically renews itself each application as the placement of streaks varies each time. I end up coloring darker some of the blonde from a previous use and then highlight some new spots too. I love the base color. After applying the base color, I was too lazy to dry my hair to add the streaks and then have to reshower to rinse out the lightener. So, I just use the base for now. Next shower I will add the streaks. That said, the base color is beautiful. It's a medium blonde and very shiny and soft. Number 2. Revlon Color Effects Highlighting Kit. Achieve stunning, customizable highlights without a salon visit. This kit makes creating perfect balayage, frosting, or ombre a breeze. Use the Light Zones cap and hook for precise highlights, or skip the cap for a freehand balayage effect. It's your choice. It's formulated with Bond Restore Complex to minimize damage, so you can achieve your dream highlights without compromising hair health. The Violet Pigmented Conditioner neutralizes brassiness, leaving you with a beautiful, natural-looking blonde. Select from 2 ammonia-free and paraben-free shades, honey or blonde. Find the perfect match for your hair color. With simple instructions and all the necessary tools included, creating gorgeous highlights has never been easier. Get ready to transform your look. What we like. If you want salon-worthy highlights without the salon cost, this kit is your solution. It offers 2 ways to highlight your hair, and the anti-breakage technology ensures your hair stays healthy. It's also ammonia and paraben-free, making it a gentler option for your hair. This is perfect for those who want customizable highlights. What people say. Product worked perfectly. Saved a bunch of money doing it myself. Color was exactly what I wanted. Left it on for 70 minutes. No red. Third picture, my hair had been done by a product a week ago. February 1st pics, my cousin and I did. Much better results. Made my daughter's hair absolutely beautiful. It is a super long process, but I've never been able to get anything to work on her hair, and I really didn't want to bleach. I love this so much. Did lots of research, but bought this with some degree of trepidation as I've had disastrous results in the past with yellow-orange hair and didn't want to repeat it. However, after spending an arm and both legs at the hairdressers recently and still not getting what I wanted, I decided to give this a shot. I've been every color of blonde, brown, and dark brown over the last couple of years and really wanted to be blonde again. Most recent was a light brown with too much warmth and a few barely perceptible highlights for which the hairdresser robbed me. My hair is a lovely shade of lightish blonde with no orange yellow whatsoever. Every home blonde color I have ever used has given me 2 yellow hair. I really recommend this. Number 1. L'Oréal Paris Frost and Design. Get ready to create stunning highlights at home with our easy-to-use highlighting kit. It's perfect for achieving a salon-quality look without the salon price tag. This innovative cap allows for perfectly placed highlights, giving you complete control over your look. Say goodbye to uneven highlights and hello to precision. With 2 hook options, you can customize your highlights to be bold and dramatic or subtle and sun-kissed. The choice is yours. It's specially designed for long hair, ensuring even coverage from roots to ends. Achieve perfectly precise highlights, no matter your hair length. The included toning rinse neutralizes any brassiness, leaving your hair shiny and vibrant. It's the perfect finishing touch for a flawless look. It comes with everything you need for a clean and easy application. The kit includes a special non-drip formula, mixing tray, gloves, and an overcap. What we like. If you have long hair and want perfectly placed, professional-looking highlights, this kit is ideal. The high-precision cap allows for customized highlights, and the toning rinse ensures your hair is shiny and not brassy. It's perfect for achieving a sun-kissed glow without the mess. What people say. It comes with the head cap, which you need to poke through the hulls first to get all the plastic holes open, and it's much easier to do when it's not on your head. Then you pull hair strands through the cap. You put the mixture, which is somewhat drier than the color that I had put onto my hair proper to this. I chose to put some water on it, warm and very lightly, for the last 15 minutes, and took the cap off and pulled my other hair with a wide tooth comb through with the other hair that had the product and warm water on. It loosened up the product, and I feel for my hair personally it needed that little bit of extra umps to ramp it up. It really did come out very pretty and natural. I had gone to a salon and was very unhappy with what came out as very yellow with some darker brassy color that I had paid $300 for. I decided to just paint this on my already highlighted ends to lighten it up more past the yellow, almost orangey brass, and it worked incredibly. I only left it on a little over 10 minutes worried about being damaging, but it was not at all. My hair felt awesome. My regular shade is around level 6, but did not do my roots. This shade of champagne comes out so pretty. This is the best highlight kit ever. My hair is super dark and it works normally in 40 minutes. I don't have to add any heat or aluminum. It works well and leaves it to the color that you like. Highly recommend. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.